Yo, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. You're here with Chico Restorations, and today we're going to be icing the bottom of some shoes. So, first things first, I just want to show you the shoes that I'm icing. So, I'm going to be icing my Space Jam 11s. I just want to get a little close up. I should show y'all. They ain't that bad, in my opinion, but I'm gonna try to get them back icy blue. I'm not going to be doing, there's one shoe how I normally do it, because I just don't feel like doing that back and forth. So you can be able to vividly see the progress, and just just doing a before video and after video both the shoes. All right, now we got the ice box cooking up. So while that's cooking up, I'm about to do a step-by-step process on how to apply it, how much to apply, and we just gonna throw it in the box. First things first, what we gonna do, I'm gonna show you how the bottom first. If you got any rocks or anything, any little pebbles in the bottom, you wanna get that out so you can get a good, nice and clean, proper cleaner to the bottom of the shoe. You not want no rocks in there. You don't want no rocks in there, period, but I'm gonna try to get all these out. Okay, so what you about to do now is clean it. I strongly encourage y'all to clean the shoe before you start this process, just to have a more neater and cleaner process. That way the ice is not, it ain't fighting with dirt, but it's just fighting with. You got a nice clean surface to lay the salon care on, to get on with your process. Boom. So I feel like I cleaned that thoroughly enough, being that the shoe was not really dirty. So with the bottom, I'm about to rinse the bottom off. I'm gonna do the same with this shoe, but I'm not gonna record it. But I'm about to rinse the bottom off, and we're gonna apply everything we need for the process to go in the ice box behind me. Okay, we back from our little mini wash to the bottom of the shoes, and I just want to show y'all like how important and vital that cleaning is. Like, look, it looked better a little bit already, but as you can see, washing that bottom gave me like a real good clean surface. Now that surface is like a whole lot cleaner. That way I ain't gotta put it on all the dirt and the process and the care that I'm gonna put on the bottom of this. Don't have to fight through it. Alright, what's up? It's been about 20 hours. We got the shoes and the ice box. We gotta do a little update. On the last couple of videos, I wasn't speaking while I was spreading it, but I was just spreading it. I just wanted to get it over with to show y'all the steps. But what I did use is Salon Care 40. What I used, got some saran wrap, and I put them in there for about 20 hours, or at least until the application dry. You know, whatever you put on lets it dry, you can see like, yeah, it's time to come out. That'll be counted as one session. But we about to see if some need to go back in, or you know, some can be done now. Boom! I threw my shades on. You don't want to look at this light with your eyes, your naked eye. I forgot to mention it. That's a little safety hazard. It'll like make your eyes feel kind of bad. So let's take them out. This is the first. That look pretty good. Not gonna lie. First session. That look good. We getting there. It don't look great now, but we gonna try to check it out again after I wash off all this little, you know, whatever's left, and we gonna let me get a good angle. That's like a little. It's clearing up though. Oh, but this is the Space Jam after the first session. It's looking a whole lot better. We're gonna try to get all that as icy blue as possible. From the side view, look real good. Try to get that toe together. Here's the other shoe. Yeah, that look good. Only the bottom still got a little bit of. This area gonna take a little minute. That's being that. That's what really contacts the ground by itself a lot. But yeah, though. Hey guys, check it out. This is after session 2. I can't really remember how many hours it is, but they are already looking like they want to get back blue. I just want to get like a little side portrait a little bit. We just got a lot of little mess right here on that front, but the toe look good. We're getting back to where we need to be. The sides look pretty good, the side profile. Let's try to look at the back. We're almost in there, y'all. We're gonna keep pushing. What I'm about to do now is coat them back up for session number 3. At the end, I'm gonna give a total of how many hours I believe that it took to get them back icy blue, but the progress is looking amazing right now, looking real promising. Got a lot of that yellow out from where we started, so we're gonna keep pushing for it. What's up, what's up, what's up? This is after the final session. We took a little while to get here, but we here, man. Before I reveal this, I want to say thank y'all for coming out. I got my Christmas stuff on. It's Christmas Eve right now. I'll be dropping this on Christmas, hopefully. That's to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This is my last video of the year, December. It might not though. Might be uploading some shorts, but hey, I just want to say thank y'all for all your support, all the new subscribers I gained this year. And we are sitting at 420 plus. We shoot for 500 and 600, 700 until we get, you know, however many we can get. So to get in these Space Jam, I won't take over no more of your time that y'all have been here with me. This is the bottom. Y'all know where we started. They look pretty good to me. That side look good. I have not rinsed off any of the Salon Care. I'm about to do that right now. I just wanted to show y'all the real raw and talk about it a little bit. It may still look like it got a little yellow in it, but all the hours I put into this, I think this is the best we are gonna get. But that's okay though, because you feel me? It looks a whole lot better than what it was. Plus, actually, I'll rinse off the bottom. I come back and show y'all. We can do it before or after. Y'all see the difference that I'm talking about. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna come back and close this video out. I'm gonna show y'all the before and after. Do some past videos because like I said, I want to do both shoots at the same time. So when I come back, we're gonna people, we back after washing off the bottom. And I just want to show y'all that this looks amazing. We got a little bit there still in these areas. little bit there, but overall the shoe looks great, man. The bottom looks amazing. We iced that. We gotta check out the back. Let's check out the side profile. This is really what people gonna be saying, and necessarily the whole bottom, but that's all around. The part that's showing, we in there. We back icy blue, even on this side. We back icy blue. You feel me? That looks pretty good to me for a shoe to be. I don't know when the shoe came out. I got it for like 180. It was a pretty good steal to me, and I fixed them up myself. It was actually a little out of place, and I fixed it up myself. But like I said, man, the shoe looks good overall. The bottom, from where we started, y'all know where we started. If y'all been here, y'all stayed to watch this far. So I give this like a 8 out of 10, being that those couple spots it was not able to, you know, it's kind of like permanent. I'll probably have to take the whole sole off and get underneath it, but I'm not about to do all that. Anyways, like I said, last video of the year, I want to thank all my new subscribers that I gained this year. I think we started at probably about like 3 something, but we reached all the way, we were at 420 plus. Thanks for my new subscribers. Thanks for the old ones too that's been here since day one. Like, comment, share. If you're new to the channel, check out some more of my videos, some content you like. You just want to turn on, relax, you know, give me a sub. If not, just keep checking me out until, you know, you eventually be a part of the family. But that's the last closing remarks, man. 2023. We shooting, I'm proud of 2023. I'm trying to go real hard with this YouTube thing. 2023, man, is going up. New videos. We probably do some reaction videos. I'm gonna get some Q&As, how I got started. What's my origin story? But we had clean the shoes. And you know, let's move forward, man. But y'all just stay tuned for that, man. Like I said, thank y'all for all the subscribers, the new ones I gained, and the old people that's still here. We only going up. Peace out. Merry Christmas.